Okay everybody, welcome back to another video. The video I'm going to be showing you today is the first day I went to the Mousy Mania motocross track. So I have another one from yesterday that I just recorded that I'll be posting either near the end of this week or next week. So we're going to be trying to go every Sunday, so there'll be a new video at the track every week. But here's the footage. Peace. And yes, I know I'm a little slow, but it's all about learning. And we're going to make a series out of this, so it'll be like every single video is going to be like a road to learning motocross, a road to get faster. So just join me on the ride.